Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about 5 questions only a genius can answer. So the first question is on your screen. So it is rocket plus rocket plus rocket equals 12. Planet plus rocket equals 10. Alien minus planet equals rocket plus alien plus planet equals question mark. So we have to solve the value of question mark. So for that, we need to find the value of rocket, alien, and planet. So I'm giving 10 seconds of time. Solve this question and then we will discuss the answers. I'm expecting you have tried the problem. And now I'm going to tell the answers. So first we can find the value of rocket because it's basically adding rocket 3 times and getting the answer 12. So the rocket will be 12 divided by 3 because there are 3 rockets and there's 12 over here. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So this is our value of the rocket. Now we know the value of rocket, which is 4. Let's substitute the value. What I mean by substitute is, let's take the second equation, which is planet plus rocket. So instead of writing rocket, let's write the value which we got for rocket. So it will be planet, I'm writing P for planet, plus rocket, which is equal to 4, is equal to 10. Now what we are going to do is find the P. So how much plus 4 is equal to 10? Well, it is 6. So P is equal to 6. P is equal to 6. Okay. So now we have found the value of planet as well. And with that information in place, we can find the value of alien in the same way. So let me write A for alien minus, so planet's value is 6 is equal to 3. Now how much minus 6 is equal to 3? Well, it is 9. So the value of A is equal to 9. Okay, so we have the value of A now. So we are going to calculate the value of this question mark, since we have the value of rocket, which is 4, the value of planet, which is 6, and the value of the alien, which is 9. So what we have to do is add all the values we got. So the rocket is equal to 4. This planet is equal to, so P for planet is equal to 6, and the alien is equal to 9. So when we add all of them, we will get 19. And that's our answer for the question mark. So let's move on to the second question. And if you got this answer right, clap for yourself. Okay, so the second question is this. So here there's a little new term going to be introduced. I'm going to introduce that to you. So I want you to solve this problem on your own first. I'm giving 10 seconds of time as usual. The time is up. So what we're going to do is we are going to subtract the first 2 equations. So how are we going to do that? Let's write the equation first using letters. For example, shirt. So for shirt we'll write S and for pant we'll write P. So the first one is S plus P, and this is equal to 10. This is equal to 10. Next, the next equation is shirt minus P, and this is equal to 8. So for subtracting, what will happen is that the bottom one's operation will become the opposite of the operation given in this. So what I mean by that is, for example, if I have 8, so this will become minus 8 when we are subtracting. So for example, if I have 10 and 8 and I want to subtract these both, I will make this positive 8 negative 8, right? So here we are subtracting equations, so we will make the whole equation negative. So here this is already negative, so we'll make it positive because addition and subtractions are opposite to each other. In other words, they are inverse operations. Next, this s will also become negative, and this 8 will also become negative. Okay, I'm just writing it in bold because there's a equal to sign. So here this s and this minus s will cut because s minus s is nothing but 0, so they will cut. Okay, so p plus p, so p plus p is equal to 2p, and 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Now what is this 2p? Basically 2p is 2 into p. So how much times 2? So 2 into how much is equal to 2? Well, it is 1. So the value of p is equal to 1. So now we have the value of the pant. Okay. So let's find the value of the shirt. So since we know the value of the pant, we can substitute it. And I told it earlier what I mean by substitution. So we will take the value of pant, and instead of writing shirt minus pant, which is in the second equation, I'm going to use that. Instead of writing shirt minus pant, I'm going to write shirt minus the value of pant, which is 1. Okay, so I'm going to write s for shirt minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, so now how much minus 1 is equal to 8? Well, it is 9. So the value of s is equal to 9. And it's that simple. So if you got it right, again, clap for yourself. Now the next question is related to SpongeBob. It's a cartoon. So here the equation is SpongeBob plus SpongeBob minus Krabby Patty is equal to 7. SpongeBob minus Plankton is equal to 1. And this pineapple house, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to call it pineapple house. So pineapple house is equal to 7 minus 3 plus 1. Plankton plus pineapple house is equal to 9. And they are asking what is the value of Krabby Patty. Okay, so again, I'm giving 10 seconds of time. I want you to pause the video and try to do this on your own. And in 10 seconds, I will start giving you the solution to the problem. Okay, so the time is up, and now I see the third equation over here. It says the value of pineapple house is 7 minus 3 plus 1. So let's write that 7 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so when we use the DMAS rule, and if you don't know about the DMAS rule, you can click on the I button on the top right hand corner. You will, by clicking on that, you can watch my DMAS rule method. So according to the DMAS rule, we will do addition first. So here it is 3 plus 1, but we will not do 3 plus 1 because there is a minus sign over here. So it will become minus 3 plus 1. So it is negative 3 plus 1. So instead, we will do 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 and minus 3. And now we will do subtraction. So we will get 5. Okay, so now we know the value of this pineapple house. So let's take the fourth equation and find the value of plankton using the value that we have of the pineapple house. So the value of pineapple house is 5. So let me write P for plankton. So P plus 5 is equal to 9. And how much plus 5 is equal to 9? It is 4. So P is equal to 4. So now we know the value of plankton, and let's find the value of SpongeBob by using the second equation. So the second equation is SpongeBob minus plankton equals 1. So let's take S for SpongeBob. So SpongeBob minus 4, which is plankton, which is the value of plankton, is equal to 1. And what minus 4 is equal to 1? Well, it is 5. So value of SpongeBob is equal to 5. So now we are going to take the SpongeBob's value and find the value of Krabby Patty using the first equation. So 5 plus 5 over here is SpongeBob plus SpongeBob. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 10 minus Krabby Patty, so I'm going to write C for that, is equal to 7. Okay, so 10 minus how much is equal to 7? Well, it is 3. So the value of Krabby Patty is equal to 3. And if you got this answer, then clap for yourself. So the next problem is this. I want you to pause the video and I'll start the answer in 10 seconds. Okay, the time is up. So we have the first equation, which is watermelon plus watermelon plus watermelon is equal to 36. And like our first problem, here instead of rocket, there is watermelon. So we are going to do 36 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 36. So our answer is 12. So the value of watermelon is equal to 12. Now since we know the value of watermelon, let's substitute the value of watermelon into the second question. So the value of watermelon is 12. So 12 plus, let me write O for orange. So orange plus orange is equal to 28. Okay, so orange plus orange is nothing but 2 oranges, so it becomes 12 plus 2O is equal to 28. Okay, so this looks like 20, but then it's 2O. Okay, so how we are going to calculate this is we are going to subtract 28 and 12. So we will get 16. So let me clear the board. Let me clear the area. So we got 16 by subtracting 28 and 12. So the value of 2O is equal to 16. So what is the value of O? It is 16 divided by 2, which is equal to 8. So O is equal to 8. So now we have got the value of orange. Okay, we got the value of orange. So we are going to substitute that value in the last equation. 8 is the value of orange. 8 minus B, which is banana, I am representing it by writing B, is equal to 3. Now 8 minus how much is equal to 3? It is 5. So the value of B is equal to 5. And it's that simple. So if you got it right, again clap for yourself. This is the last problem. So here in third equation, we have this green colored watermelon. Is it a candy watermelon? I don't know, I'm going to consider it as a watermelon. So this, the watermelon plus watermelon is equal to 2. So we know that the watermelon will be 1. Okay, so let's see the second question, second equation. So it is 26 minus an ice cream lollipop. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to consider that as a lollipop. So L for lollipop is equal to 1, because this watermelon, as we solved in the third equation, is equal to 1. So 26 minus 1 minus the L, 26 minus L is equal to 1. So 26 minus how much is equal to 1? 26 minus 25. So the value of L is 25. So now over here, let's take the fourth equation. So in the fourth equation, we will be able to find the value of the fish. So let me clear everything. So here we have f, 2f is equal to 1 plus 9. So this is equal to 2f is equal to 10. So f will be equal to 5. So now we know the value of fish. Now since we know the value of fish, let's substitute that into the first question. So here the first question is fish plus fish. So fish plus fish is 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10, plus beans, I guess. It looks a little bit like beans. So let me write B for beans is equal to 25. So 10 plus how much is equal to 25? Well, it is 15. So the value of the beans is 15. So the last equation asks us the value of the lollipop and minus the value of the beans. So it is 25 minus 15. So we will get the answer as 10. And that's the answer for this question. So if you got it right, again clap for yourself. And that's it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.